Hey guys, I brought a sneeze home from school. You want to see it? No!
Damn it, who's secretly an X-Man?
You know, I'm actually starting to not feel well.
Oh boy, guess we better line it up for butt temps. I'll go first and third.
Peter, you look okay. Would you mind going out and grabbing some medicine?
Okay, but if I get a DUI, it's your fault.
You drunk?
It's after dinner.